So I had a few people asking me what was wrong with the hinge and complaining that they couldn't really get a good look at it. And it's true, it was kind of dark in the garage. So let's take a close look. Okay, so here's the old hinge. Let's see if I can get this into focus properly. And you can see the wiggling there. That's what I could see when I had the hinge still on the car. I could see that it was wiggling, something was wrong. But it wasn't until I got it off that I really could see that here there are a couple of bushings that are around the shaft of the hinge, and they had worked their way out. And so now this is after I've already installed the new hinge, so I found that, yeah, if I got there I could push them back in. And now the hinge doesn't seem, it still's got a bit of a wiggle to it, but not a whole lot. So I find myself wondering if I could have just stripped this down, because here you can, there's a little plastic cap here, and you can take the, you can get that pin out. And I thought, gee, maybe I could have just taken it apart, greased it up, pushed those back in and put it back together, but you know, the other hinge is already in now. And how long would these stay before they work themselves out again? So I'm not really worried about what I've done. But so there you go. That was the problem. These things have come loose. I don't know if they have broken loose or if they just have shifted along. And there you go. Just a quick little video.